I'm car accident attorney Neil Schaus. I represent victims who were injured in T-bone car accidents. I often get asked the question, who is at fault in a T-bone collision? Is it the driver who crashed into the other car head-on, or is it the car who got broadsided? The answer is, it depends on the situation. In determining fault, we look at these primary questions. Number 1, who had the right-of-way? Number 2, did one of the cars run a stop sign or run a red light? Number 3, was one of the cars speeding? Number 4, was one of the drivers distracted by texting or reading or eating? And number 5, was one of the drivers intoxicated? There's 2 key things to keep in mind. 1, don't just blindly accept the conclusion in the police report. Often we find that the police may say that driver number 1 is at fault, but when we do an independent accident reconstruction, we find that really driver number 2 is at fault, or both parties were at fault. Second, even if you were partially at fault, you may still be able to recover damages in a personal injury lawsuit. That's because many states, including Nevada, follow the rules of comparative fault. This means that the driver partially at fault can still get money in a lawsuit, just that the settlement is reduced by the extent of his fault or negligence. If you or a loved one was injured or killed in a T-bone car crash, we invite you to call us here at Las Vegas Defense Group. We can help you to get compensation for medical bills, for lost wages, for pain and suffering, and oftentimes punitive damages.